First, let's start by going to your YouTube homepage. Begin by selecting your profile image in the top right corner. Then, select your videos. This will take you to your YouTube Studio homepage. There are two places where you can upload your video, under the Content tab or the Dashboard tab. Next, select Upload Video. After that, choose your file and click Open/Upload. Now, type in the summary of your video. Hit Enter, create a divider line. Hit Enter again, and input your video's keyframes for chapters. Make sure to format them as 0, 0, hour, minutes, seconds. YouTube will automatically mark your video, allowing viewers to access specific parts. Once you've entered the chapters, select your thumbnail options. I recommend uploading your own. After choosing your thumbnail, you can add it to a playlist or create a new one. This will automatically display your video on your homepage. Since you're just starting on YouTube, I suggest scrolling down and typing in as many relevant video tags as possible. This will help your video appear in front of users with similar interests. Once it's public, review your content. If everything looks good, congratulations. You've successfully posted your first YouTube video.